어두운 방 안, 동그랗게 모여선 사람들, 발밑에 있는 정체를 알 수 없는 센서까지.
Just calm down.
John!
You're fine.
Where are you?
그리고 센서에서 벗어나자 곧바로 죽어버리는 여자.
Is she dead?
I think so.
대체 무슨 일이 벌어지는 건지. 확실한 건 원을 이탈하면 죽는다는 것.
Stand still and we'll be fine.
그리고
That noise.
왠지 카운트다운 같은 소리까지. 긴장감이 감도는 바로 그때.
Oh my god.
다시 한번 소리가 나고 가운데 있는 물체가 길을 모읍니다.
Okay. Now.
이번엔 움직이지 않았던 사람이 공격을 당합니다. 사람들은 공황 상태에 빠지게 되죠. 그리고 다시 한번 찾아온 정적. 남자는 무언가를 알아챈 듯한 눈빛이었죠. 남자의 시선에 따라 바닥에 있는 불이 움직이게 되고 주먹을 쥐자 불빛이 멈춘 자리에 서 있던 사람이 죽게 됩니다. 비로소 확신을 하게 된 남자.
They're killing us.
No, it's not them. Are you guys seeing this? The lights on the floor. You see it move?
No, I
Over there.
don't see anything.
What lights? What are you talking about?
Look at your hand. When you move them, it changes the floor.
남자의 말대로 자신의 손이 움직이면 불빛도 따라 움직이게 되고 오로지 자신의 불빛만 보이는 듯
I
했죠.
only see mine.
I think you can only see your own.
What did they do to us?
그리고 이들은 이것의 의미를 알게 되죠.
What does that mean?
It's us.
Us?
What do you mean?
죽을 사람을 투표한다는 것을.
We're choosing who dies.
그리고 또다시 카운트다운 같은 소리가 나게 되고 투표를 하지 않았음에도 죽는 것을 보니 시간 제한도 있는 것이었죠.
Nobody fucking do anything, okay?
But it's not working, you see?
God damn it!
What is wrong with you people?
All of us, we're gonna die. All of us, we're gonna die.
사람들이 소란스런 틈을 타 한 남자가 아무도 모르게 투표를 합니다.
It's a vote.
What?
We're voting. Look, they're killing whoever gets the most votes.
How do you know that?
Because the chimes go off when you close your hands, and that's when you choose.
Wait.
그때 한 여자가 제안을 하죠.
What if we vote for her again?
Yeah, let's try that, okay?
Guys, it's not gonna work.
We have to try something.
Yeah, everybody, let's vote for the dead woman again.
모든 사람들은 이미 죽은 여자를 투표해보지만 소용없었죠.
It just doesn't work.
Why him?
Maybe he got the second most votes. There's nothing we can do. We're all screwed.
Let's try not voting again.
Please.
이번엔 투표를 하지 말자고 제안을 합니다.
Wait it out.
How do we know that won't kill us all?
8, 7, 6. Is it over?
그러자 모든 바닥에 불빛이 들어오죠.
Okay, nobody move. Just everybody, let's ride this out.
투표를 하지 않자 랜덤으로 지목이 됩니다.
We don't choose, it chooses on its own.
Somebody needs to do something because this is not.
그때 눈치를 보던 한 남자가 제안합니다.
Everybody, quiet! Now, there's no reason for us all to just keep killing each other off like this.
But what the hell else are we gonna do, my man?
We don't have a choice.
What I mean is we can choose to go about this in a certain way. Look, so there's about a minute or two between each round. Maybe if we spend less time worrying about who's gonna die next and more time trying to figure this thing out, we'll get somewhere and be able to stop this.
그리고 하는 말이 7, 80대의 노인들을 투표해 시간을 벌자는 말을 하죠.
If this is a vote, I say they go first. That'll buy us some time. The way I see it, they'd be the next people to die in real life, right?
남자의 말에 찬성하는 찬성파와
Old people first. That's fair.
반대파.
Yeah, of natural causes, not of us killing them.
We have no choice.
That's fucked up, kid.
It's a fucked up situation, but we have to do something.
그리고 남자는 말을 합니다.
We'll start with him, go clockwise after that. 1, 2, 3,
No, wait a minute.
4, 5, 6. That should buy us 10 minutes.
No, there has to be another way.
You have a better idea?
사실 남자의 말대로 여기 있는 사람들은 아무것도 할 수가 없었습니다. 그렇다고 해서 이 남자의 행동이 올바르다고는 말할 수 없겠죠.
We're sorry. It's the only way.
But I have just as much of a right to live as any of you.
You've lived your life, old man.
시간이 촉박해지자 사람들은 어쩔 수 없이 첫 번째 노인을 투표합니다.
I know that was hard, but you all did the right thing.
You wanted to buy some time and we did that. Let's not waste it.
그때 한 남자가 자신의 기억을 이야기합니다.
It was a total logjam, so I got out of the car and started running.
그러던 중 카운트다운이 시작되어 두 번째 노인을 투표합니다.
So what happened?
I was pulled up.
Into the ship?
I don't know. But the next time that I could see, I was in a small room and everything was red, like a dark room. And there were a ton of bodies piled up on one another. I assumed that they were dead, but I don't know, they might have just been unconscious. Everybody but me and one other guy.
An alien?
No, he was a human. Everything else is kind of a blur. I just remember waking up right here and there was some kind of gas. I think that we were all drugged.
그리고 세 번째 노인의 차례가 다가오고 노인은 투표를 당합니다.
Come on, anybody!
세 번째 노인이 죽자 네 번째 노인은 죽지 않기 위해 거짓말을 하죠.
And I saw them. It sounded almost like Chinese.
Chinese?
Chinese or Japanese, maybe.
Chinese aliens?
Bullshit. He's lying.
Yeah, he's next in line. He's just trying to buy some time.
노인은 결국 죽게 됩니다.
Who's next in line?
죽을 노인들이 없어지자 나이가 들어 보이는 여자를 지목합니다.
Who, me?
Yeah. How old are you?
52?
Hey, we said 70 or 80, not 50.
Come on, lady, you're not 52. How old are you?
Don't lie.
I'm 52.
Bullshit.
Yeah, why is your hair so white?
Chemotherapy. I had cancer.
So you're dying.
No, it's in remission. I'm better now.
Could come back though.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
계속되는 남자의 몰아가기 방식에 화가 난 사람들.
What are you, a doctor, lady?
Actually, yes, I am, asshole.
Cancer or not, she's over 50. She's gonna have to go eventually.
What? You never agreed to that.
Yeah, no way, man.
I mean, what, do you start killing off people over 40 next?
I'm 43. You want to kill me next, asshole?
Hey, you got a problem?
Yeah, I got a problem. I think maybe anyone over the age of maybe, I don't know, 35 might have a problem.
남자는 결국 모든 사람들에게 지목이 되어 죽게 됩니다.
I'm just trying to help.
Fuck you. I think we need to know more about each other.
여자는 자기소개를 하자고 제안을 합니다.
This will all make sense.
Hi, I'm Beth.
그렇게 해서 한 여자의 소개가 이어지고
I live in Woodland Hills, California, but originally I'm from Richmond, Virginia, born and raised. I'm 36, single, no kids, but I do have 2 nephews from my sister Noreen. She's actually my twin sister. What else? And I have 2 cats, JJ and Ricky.
하지만 카운트다운이 시작되자 더 이상 투표할 대상이 없었던 사람들은 자연스럽게 먼저 소개한 여자를 투표합니다.
That's great. Great job. Who wants to go next? At least she didn't have kids.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
이제 사람들은 자신이 죽지 않기 위해 다른 사람들을 헐뜯기 시작합니다.
Do shit. He's lying, man.
He beat the shit out of his girlfriend. I remember him because of that tattoo under his right eye. That teardrop, see it?
Fuck you, man.
그리고 이젠 인종차별까지 합니다.
What the fuck you just say? You guys are all the same. You run around, you just want people to hand you things like you fucking earned it. That's what's wrong with this country now.
Socialist bullshit. I mean, Jesus Christ. Give me a fucking break around here.
So let's work together. We can't keep turning against each other.
Yeah, that's what they want us to do.
I think she's right. That's what this is about. They want us to play the little game. Maybe they're watching us right now.
군인은 머리를 굴려 자기가 자기를 투표해보자고 제안합니다.
Force a tie.
We tried that.
No. We tried not voting at all.
Okay, everybody, vote for yourself.
하지만 자기 자신은 투표할 수가 없었죠.
You can't vote for yourself. It doesn't let us.
이번에는 다른 방식으로 무승부를 유도해보지만
It's a tie. Everyone vote again.
군인은 임산부와 소녀를 지켜주자고 하지만
We don't even know what kind of a kid she is. I mean, what if she's a miserable brat?
She's like 10.
Hey, you get good grades? Yeah. Straight A's?
Oh my God, she got a B. Let's kill her.
Look, at least one of them is gonna have to die. So we should decide now. Just kill them both! Fucking kill them!
어른들의 이기적인 행동 때문에 어린 소년이 자원을 합니다.
I'll do it.
Why?
Now, wait a minute. He doesn't have to tell you or anybody else why. He's volunteered. That's enough.
Well, I want to know why.
Lady, it's none of your business.
Hey, let him answer.
I guess I just don't want to kill anyone.
How old are you?
16?
No, someone else. He's a fucking kid, man.
He's 16. That's old enough.
Old enough to what, to die?
To make your own decisions.
He's a stupid kid, he doesn't know any better.
I don't care. If you volunteer, you volunteer. It's his choice if he wants to die.
Yeah, that's right. If someone wants to volunteer, we should respect that. No matter who it is.
그때
No.
뒤에서 가만히 지켜보던 남자가 말합니다.
I'll do it.
Well, this is going to be a whole lot easier if we can.
이런 얄미운 녀석.
Easier for who? You?
얄미운 녀석의 바램대로 몇몇 사람들이 저마다의 이유로 자원합니다.
I think we should take into account people have families, children.
Why? How many kids do you have?
I have 7.
Of course you do.
Yeah, I got 12.
Yeah, I got 27.
Oh, no, come on, seriously. Shouldn't that be taken into consideration?
저마다의 가족 이야기를 하던 중 한 여자가 성소수자란 걸 알게 된 남자는 여자를 압박합니다.
So, you're a lesbian.
Yeah, so what? Doesn't make any difference.
Do you think that this is someone worth dying for?
Cowards.
What do you do?
얄미운 녀석은 자신이 유리한 질문을 합니다.
Fair question.
Of course, it'll be the guy in the sweater vest to start this class bullshit, right?
Hey, we're trying to decide who deserves to live, right?
Oh, and career choice is the way to do that.
I'm just saying that some people contribute more to society than others.
Well, what do you do?
We lend people money to start their own business. Now, I work my ass off every single day, and I never take handouts from anyone. I lend people money to live their dreams.
All right, make them tie again. They'll both die. That's fair.
What? He's right. We'll take that trade. What are you doing? Don't do it. She's just a kid.
G.I. Joe next. He's the leader of the pack.
이제 사람들은 편을 가르면서 투표를 하기 시작합니다.
Great idea. There's only 13 of us left. We only need 7.
Everybody vote for the black guy.
Fuck y'all, man!
그리고 다음 타겟으로 부부가 지목이 됩니다.
Probably not even married.
What?
I mean, think about it. You're saying that they're married and they just happen to be placed right next to each other?
Think about it, people.
Isn't it possible that they just made this whole thing up?
No.
Why would they lie?
To survive. They just made this whole thing up to get our sympathy.
You're crazy.
Am I? How long have you been married?
5 years.
What's his parents' names?
Mark and Lisa.
What's his name? What is your husband's name?
사실 이 둘은 살기 위해 가짜 부부 행세를 했죠.
Okay. was her fucking idea.
What?
Yeah, I just went along with it.
No, he said it first. I had nothing to do with it.
Come on, she's a liar. Look at her.
Please don't kill me.
No, kill this bitch. Are you-
그리고 다음 차례
Come on, people, one more. Who are we voting for? The army guy.
No! Pick somebody else.
Cancer lady.
What?
No. All right, you all know who to vote for.
이제 남은 사람은 7명.
7 of us left. All we need is 4.
장발의 남자는 임산부의 뱃속의 태아에게 투표하자고 말을 하였고
Well, then you're killing your own child. How about you, man? You want to live?
You know where I stand.
About you? What do you think?
차마 투표를 할 수 없었던 남자는 자진해서 원 밖으로 나갑니다. 그리고
What are you doing? Vote for the kid. Are you nuts?
아이와 가짜 부인이 판정대에 오르게 되지만
Do it! Come on, vote! Please vote! Vote!
Jesus Christ, why did you vote?
Because he doesn't vote. Never has, not once.
What?
He's never even said a word, never voted, and he's made it all this way. Maybe it was no accident. I think that there's a reason why he's still alive.
Yeah.
Think about it. He's the only person in here who has never voted.
So he survived this long just because he hasn't participated?
I don't know. Could be.
That's the answer to all this. He gets to live?
Maybe.
Does that make him untouchable?
It's one way to know for sure.
청년은 중년 남성을 투표하는 것처럼 이야기를 하면서 임산부에게 장발을 투표하라고 신호를 보냅니다.
Come on. Wait.
So you made all that up?
No. He's never voted. I don't think so, at least. That, and he's never said a word. I mean, not that I can remember. I don't think he wants to give him anything. We've already given him enough. He knows we don't have a choice.
결국 중년 남성을 투표해 임산부와 소녀, 청년이 남게 됩니다.
So what do we do now?
That's up to the two of you.
But how do we choose?
But once I'm gone, one of you is going to have to step forward, otherwise you'll both die.
청년은 자신이 죽는다는 전제하에 이야기를 합니다.
You don't have much time.
결국 많은 고민 끝에 소녀가 말을 합니다.
I'll go.
For the baby, right? It's very brave of you. We'll go together. Okay?
Okay.
There's no more time. Do it!
사실 청년은 소녀가 원 밖으로 나가는 동시에 임산부를 투표해 자신이 살아남게 만들었습니다. 하지만 혼자 남았음에도 카운트다운이 시작되었죠.
All that for nothing? I'm not good enough for you? What? I'm not the one that you wanted? I'm exactly the same as everybody else in here. They all get to make their own choices. They chose to kill each other. Well, there you go. Congratulations. We're assholes. Fuck you.
그런데 청년은 바로 죽지 않고 동점을 알리는 노란빛이 나옵니다. 그 동점자는 바로 임산부의 뱃속에 있는 태아였죠. 이 사실을 깨달은 청년은 태아를 투표합니다. 그렇게 혼자서 살아남은 청년의 위에는 우주선 같은 게 떠 있었고 여러 대의 우주선이 보이면서 다른 곳에서도 똑같은 일이 벌어지고 있었다는 것을 알려주며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 재밌게 보셨나요? 이 영화는 2015년에 제작된 넷플릭스 영화입니다. 자기 자신도 모르게 눈을 떠보니 어두운 방 안에 모르는 사람들과 서 있는 것으로 시작이 됩니다. 원을 벗어나면 죽고 다음에 죽을 사람을 자신의 손으로 투표를 해야 합니다. 자기 자신을 투표하거나 이미 죽은 사람을 뽑는 방법은 통하지 않습니다. 자신이 살기 위해선 다른 사람을 죽여야 하는 잔인한 상황에 놓인 사람들. 이 영화는 그런 최악의 상황 속에서 나오는 인간의 본성을 아주 잘 보여주고 있습니다. 가만히 있어도 중간은 간다 라는 말이 있죠. 마지막까지 살아남은 중년 남성처럼 이 영화는 그 예를 잘 보여주고 있습니다. 이곳에 갇힌 수많은 사람들이 침을 튀기면서 어떻게 해서든지 다른 사람을 헐뜯는 모습은 경악 그 자체로 다가오기도 했습니다. 결말이 약간 아쉽기는 하지만 인간의 심리 하나로 공포를 볼 수 있다는 것은 정말로 대단한 것 같습니다. 넷플릭스 영화 서클 추천해드리며 리뷰 여기서 마치겠습니다. 지금까지 프링무비였습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.